Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying a good health. It's me, Naila Faisal, your computer teacher. My dear students, in the previous lesson we have learned about the four main parts of computer and about input and output devices. Today we will go to the next half of the chapter, and in this chapter we will learn about some helping devices that help a computer to perform different functions. So let's start. First of all, we will discuss about multimedia devices. मल्टीमीडिया डिवाइसेस स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे डिवाइसेस होते हैं जिसमें आप एट द सेम टाइम वीडियो भी देख सक रहे होते हैं और आप साउंड भी सुन रहे होते हैं और आप टेक्स्ट भी पढ़ सकते हैं और इसके अलावा आप अपनी वॉइस के थ्रू इंटरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। आप अपनी वॉइस को ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं कंप्यूटर के अंदर। तो वो तमाम डिवाइसेस जो हमें इन काम में हेल्प आउट करते हैं, दीज ऑल आर नोन एज मल्टीमीडिया डिवाइसेस। Microphone, speaker and headphones are the most important multimedia devices. माइक्रोफोन की मदद से आप कंप्यूटर से इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं। अपनी रिकॉर्डेड साउंड, कोई भी म्यूज़िक आप इनपुट दे सकते हैं कंप्यूटर में। और स्पीकर और हेडफोन्स जो हैं ये आपको कंप्यूटर के अंदर मौजूद जो वॉइस होती है उसकी आउटपुट देते हैं। सो जब इनको अटैच किया जाता है कंप्यूटर के साथ तो ये कंप्यूटर का पूरा एक साउंड सिस्टम बनाते हैं। एंड दीज आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया डिवाइसेस। In this picture you can see a microphone. A microphone, as I already told you, is an input device. आप अपनी वॉइस या कोई रिकॉर्डेड साउंड जब इनपुट करना चाहते हैं कंप्यूटर में, एट दैट टाइम यू विल यूज़ microphone. So it is used to record sound. By speaking into a microphone you can record your voice. Here you can see speakers. Speakers are used to listen to recorded sound as well as music. Now come to the headphones. Headphones are also output device and these are used to produce sound out from the computer system. So what's the difference between the speakers and headphones? Headphones are used when you are listening music or any other sound and you are using headphones. At that time only you are able to listen that sound. Means you can listen without disturbing others. While when you are using speaker as a output device for sound, everyone can listen the sound which is generated from speaker. So headphones are used to listen sound without disturbing others. UPS is also a very important part of computer system. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. UPS helps the computer to keep the working for sometimes even after the electricity goes off. Now let's learn about the storage devices. Very obvious from the name, storage devices are used to store data. Different devices are used for this purpose: floppy disk, hard disks, CDs, DVDs, and USB. All these are used to store information permanently. Now we will discuss individually about these all storage devices. In this picture, you can see a square-shaped disk. This disk is known as a floppy disk. To use floppy disk, we need a floppy drive. Nowadays, floppy disks are hardly used. Here you can see speakers. Speakers are used to listen to recorded sound as well as music. In this picture you can see a microphone. A microphone, as I already told you, is an input device. आप अपनी वॉइस या कोई रिकॉर्डेड साउंड जब इनपुट करना चाहते हैं कंप्यूटर में, एट दैट टाइम यू विल यूज़ microphone. So it is used to record sound. By speaking into a microphone you can record your voice. In this picture you can see CDs and DVDs. A CD can store more information than a floppy disk. Both CD and DVDs are round and of the same size, but DVD stores more information than a CD. A USB is also called a flash drive. It helps you to store data and carry the data with you. It is easy to use and small enough to be carried in your pocket. It can store more data than a CD and DVD. I hope all of you got a good understanding of these devices and their functions. Inshallah, I'll see you in next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.